I'm going to unbox and show the Cinema Mount Osmo Pocket Kit by Stylus Innovation. A great solution for when you want to use your Osmo Pocket with your phone. I've taken a lot of time to search high and low for a quality phone mount for the Osmo Pocket, and this is the one that I settled on. There are many mounts recommended online that really aren't that great, and that's why it took some time to cut through the clutter to find this hidden gem.
Fracking Creations, a YouTube variety channel that touches different parts of your life.
Want more videos on tech?
Subscribe to the channel or check out our website.
Let's see why this is one of the best phone mounts out there for the Osmo Pocket. Inside the box, you get a cinema mount rig. This by itself is a mount for phones. The clamp is wide so that it is very stable when holding the phone in place. And because you clamp onto the phone like a vise, it is very secure. At the top, you get a cold shoe mount for attaching LED lights, microphones, or other accessories. At the bottom, you have a female 1/4-inch thread mount for attaching other mounts or tripods. At the bottom, you also have an Arca Swiss quick release. To attach your phone, you use this knob to tighten or loosen. You can feel the quality of this just by turning it. It's so buttery smooth and precise. The two female threads here are for attaching the Osmo Pocket clip, which I'll attach later on. There are two additional tapered holes here that are probably for attaching another accessory, maybe a plate of some sort that would stick out of here and allow other accessories to mount. Something that is new that older pictures of this mount don't have are additional female 1/4-inch thread mounts put on both sides for you to use as you like or for other accessories or to mount a tripod. Here's the DJI Osmo Pocket clip attachment, a hex key and two screws for securing the DJI Osmo Pocket clip. We also get a full metal grip stabilizer with male 1/4-inch thread mount and a female 1/4-inch thread mount at the bottom. And lastly, a registration card. This is a very high quality phone mount for the DJI Osmo Pocket. It is CNC made from aluminum and stainless steel, no plastic. All the rubber pads have a premium solid grippy feel and they all hold the phone very secure. The foam used for holding the Pocket is also high quality and feels snug against it. As with other mounts, you will need to use it with the phone to properly secure it in place. There are only two things I think are its weakness. First, being that it is all metal, it will be heavier than ones made out of plastic. You will feel the weight the longer you use it. Second is that this is a bit bulky, so it isn't like some of the ones out there that are foldable and can easily fit in your pocket. But the way it's designed makes it very solid, and I know my phone and Osmo Pocket will be secure inside. More flimsy ones made out of plastic could flex, bend, or break, allowing the phone or Osmo Pocket to drop out. So for me, having a mount that securely holds the phone and Osmo Pocket, and one that lasts and won't break on me, is more important. When looking for a phone mount for the Osmo Pocket, I came across many, and some of the popular ones use a spring clamp. Great for ease of installation, but risky because one wrong bump and the spring clamp can let go of your phone. Once your phone drops, the Pocket is likely to go next. You don't want to deal with two broken devices from one small accidental bump. This is why I prefer vice-style clamps versus spring clamps. So that's my quick review of the Cinema Mount Osmo Pocket Kit. I hope you can see why it's our favorite phone mount for the Osmo Pocket. If you're looking for a great phone mount too, consider this as a contender. Remember to check the video description below for the links, and subscribe and share our videos to help our channel grow.